What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be something different. As you can see, it's not my normal edit video. Alright, today is a Saturday morning and I'm gonna get breakfast for myself. So yeah. So anyway, I wanted to make this video because I wanted to test the new mic that I got from my Gopro in my helmet cam. It's very hard to find the GoPro adapter because I'm using the GoPro Hero 3, so I might not know how this sounds. So just doing a video just to test how it sounded. Please let me know in the comments if you guys can hear it clearly, or is it too loud, too soft. Maybe I can do something better for the post-production of the video. Anyways, my first time trying to moto vlog. I've been wanting to do this for quite some time now, but I haven't got a chance to do because I didn't have the proper equipment to do it. I technically didn't have the mic. I've got my GoPro Hero 3 right here. Yeah, it's some old tech. Yeah, I didn't get a mic. It was very hard to find the adapter. I only got to find the adapter where it was on Amazon. In Singapore, it was like very hard to find in stores of the adapter. Anyways, if you didn't know, I have been this is my first motorcycle. I've been riding for about 6 months. Yeah, quite excited to get my own bike and my own license. See if I can sell it here. Alright, there we go. Everywhere is construction. Oh, this guy is really punching it, man. It's like watch out for vehicles coming on the yellow box. If the video sounds good, I think I shall do more motor vlogs, because since I'll be most of the time I'll be riding, then why not just do some live narration and, you know, do some videoing on my motorbike. That'd be interesting. Anyways, I have reached my destination. If you guys like this video, please like it, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching. Peace.